I would like to quickly point out that John the Mouse Video has a large selection of videos from North and South America for your viewing pleasure. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Now let's get into the cheese of the matter.
This Coca-Cola truck has a long story to tell. We bought it from a junkyard in Rock Island, Illinois in 1994. It had been there for 43 years. After we bought it, we parked it outside at the back of our property for another 20 years before we got around to restoring it. Finally, our founder, Carolyn Moon, said, "I want this truck restored before I'm gone." So we got busy restoring it, and that took another 4 years. We put the Coke body on a 1944 white truck chassis. See that fender skirt on the tires? A lot of cars in the 40s, 50s, and 60s had fender skirts. Just made it a little more stylish. We had all the bottle crates made and painted. The local Coca-Cola bottler made a run of these little bottles for us. There's 4,800 little green bottles on there. They're all full of Coca-Cola. We even have an antique stencil machine for printing on the crates. If you wondered how we got all those painted, original-looking wooden crates, this is the machine that did it.
John the Mouse Travel Map is available for Google Maps. It will help plan your route to the locations of your favorite videos. It is free to use. I have the link below. Please visit the playlist tab for videos that I have sorted for you. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button